Surviving Japan. One kanji a day. In Japan, life runs on the train, and every journey ends at one place. This character marks it. Today's kanji looks scary, 14 strokes, but you only need to recognize it, not write it from memory. It reads, eki. It means train station. There's no everyday kun reading, it's just eki. Every station name in the country ends with this character. On the left is a horse. Long ago, these were relay posts where you swapped tired horses. Today, you swap trains instead. Let's see it written. 14 strokes. Don't panic, just trace the shape so you can spot it on a map. Where it shows up. Eki is station. Ekimae means in front of the station, a popular meeting spot. And Toukyou eki is Tokyo Station itself. Look-alikes share that left side. Uma, read uma, means horse, the piece hiding inside. Wake, read wake, means reason, and shares the right half. So that's eki, station. Read eki. Survival tip. On the platform and the train, keep your voice down and your phone on silent. Loud phone calls on Japanese trains are a real cultural no-no. See you tomorrow.